हर जगह टकराए वह दिल डूबा जाए आजा प्यारे काश हमारे खाए घबराए लव यू सर।
पारस ने
हर जगह टकराए वह दिल डूबा जाए आजा प्यारे काश हमारे खाए घबराए लव यू सर।
पारस ने जो कहा, सर ने हमें, जब हम फीस नहीं दे सकते थे, जब हम खेलना शुरू किया, कभी फीस मांगी भी नहीं, लेकिन जब हम फीस देने के लायक हो गया, हम आज पैसे, कभी हमारे पास पैसे भी नहीं थे, आज पैसे आ गए हैं लेकिन सर नहीं है, ये एक हमेशा अफसोस रहेगा हमें।
Good morning guys. So today we're gonna talk about this video of Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kamble. If people who don't know who are these personalities, because many of my friends are non-Indians, so if they don't know, I'll tell you, these are two of the greatest cricketers that India has ever seen, and one became great, who's called Sachin Tendulkar. He's called the god of cricket, and the other was a promising star who lost his career and life, and now he's lost his mind as well because of undisciplinary behaviors and paths that he took in his life. So one became successful and he was called as a main guest, and he is sitting in the chair of main guest, and the other is singing a song for him. One time these two players played together and they were good friends and they were good pair. In cricket, there's a pair when you bat. There's a pair at the strikers end and non-strikers end, and they had a good chemistry, and they were a good opening pair for India. And this guy, the one who sing the song, was also equally talented, like the guy who became famous, Vinod Kamble and Sachin Tendulkar. But unfortunately, Vinod Kamble had to face a lot of things and all that, because you can say it is his problem what he have done with his life. But people are criticizing Sachin Tendulkar. You know, people have their opinions. I don't know why people criticize Sachin Tendulkar, because he cannot do anything. You cannot change another person's life. Another person's life has to be changed by him or herself, and you cannot do anything. And people are criticizing about the reaction of Sachin Tendulkar when he was the other one. Vinod Kamble was singing the song, he wasn't even looking, and there's another video surfacing in the internet where this Sachin Tendulkar was passing to right in front of Vinod Kamble, and Vinod Kamble hold his hand to and saying something to sit beside him and all. But Sachin Tendulkar was invited as a main guest, so some people, organizers came and like consolidated Vinod Kamble and said like, Sachin sir, you can go and sit there. And Sachin was like okay, and Sachin went and sit there. These videos are surfacing in internet, and these have been taken as a proof to criticize Sachin Tendulkar. You cannot do anything if a person goes out of his mind. And Sachin's reaction says something different, because he doesn't want to see his friend like that. He doesn't want to contribute into that drama. He is thinking like, what can I do for Vinod Kamble that can be helpful for his life, and he will do it secretly. He don't want to show it in front of the media. So he was sitting like he doesn't mind, because he cannot do anything. He cannot put up a show. If he want to help Vinod Kamble with money, he will do that secretly. He is not that kind of person. Sachin Tendulkar is not that kind of person. If he was that kind of person, he wouldn't be the Sachin Tendulkar of today. He wouldn't be this successful. The man is known to be the gentlest cricketer in the whole world. He is considered to be the gentleman of cricket. So a man like that wouldn't think the opposite. He will do Vinod Kamble what is appropriate in secret, in personal. That is his thing. and people who are judging based on this thing are crazy. You have to clean your mind, because if you are thinking like that, you are an idiot. You cannot be emotional at every time. I mean, what is Sachin Tendulkar supposed to do? When he hears that song, he should look at Vinod Kamble and smile like this, like an idiot. Huh? That is what Vinod Kamble want, or that is what the viewers want. Nobody who says who supports Vinod Kamble like this can support him financially. Everybody who writes comments in these videos like Vinod Kamble, I feel sad for that, and I feel bad, and I feel hate for Sachin Tendulkar, his reactions. Can these people help Vinod Kamble? At least financially. Even if you help Vinod Kamble financially, how can this man get into a right frame of mind? How can he become the Vinod Kamble of the previous era? He is out of his mind. Yes, you can do something for him, but he have to. It is upon a person. So it is very harsh and stupid and heartless manner to criticize a personality like Sachin Tendulkar on this, which shows people's your dark side. People who are criticizing, it shows your dark side, because all these years that man played for India. Not only played for India, he earned the name God of Cricket. He became the pride of the country, and he is known to be the gentleman of the game. Still people are criticizing. Shows the darkness inside humans, the very core of human nature. There will be son of a bitches, there will be motherfuckers in this world who are looking to criticize a person. Even if you do whatever, even if you bring down heaven for them, they will still blame. Depends on that momentary emotions. Some are liars and some are idiots. I only consider these people like that. Either you are an idiot, emotional idiot who doesn't know how to think practically, or you are just a liar who know everything, who just want to criticize and get attention. That's it. So please shut your mouth on this. Please.